In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate an Aged Payables report in Odoo. To get started, open the Accounting app in Odoo. This is where you'll find the financial reports and tools needed to review what your business currently owes to vendors. Once you're inside the Accounting module, go to the top menu and click Reporting. From there, under Partner Reports, select Aged Payable. Odoo will open the Aged Payable report and display the outstanding amounts owed to your vendors. This report is especially useful when you want a clear picture of unpaid bills, overdue balances, and upcoming payment obligations, all organized by age. Next, click the As of Date filter and choose the date you want the report to be calculated for. This is important because the report reflects open payable balances based on that specific date, so make sure you select the one that matches the period you want to review. After that, use the Account Payable filter to select or narrow down the payable accounts included in the report. If your company uses multiple payable accounts, this helps you focus only on the ones you want to analyze. You can also click Partners if you want to view payables for specific vendors only. This is helpful when you're reviewing one supplier at a time, or checking the status of selected accounts instead of the full vendor list. Then, use Based on Due Date to control how Odoo calculates the aging of outstanding amounts. This setting determines how the balances are grouped in the report, so it's a good option to review carefully depending on how you want aging to be measured. Now set the aging interval using the 30 days option. With this applied, the report will organize balances into columns such as At Date, 1 to 30, 31 to 60, 61 to 90, 91 to 20, and older. This layout makes it easy to see which amounts are current and which ones are becoming overdue. Use posted entries to control which journal entries are included in the report. This allows you to make sure you're reviewing the right accounting data before drawing any conclusions from the balances shown. Once the filters are set, review each vendor row to see how much is outstanding in each aging period. If you need more detail, click the arrow beside a vendor to expand the row and inspect the underlying payable entries. At the bottom of the report, check Total Aged Payable to see the combined outstanding vendor balance. And when you're ready to share or save the report, click Print in the upper left corner and choose the Available Output option. Your Aged Payables report is now ready for reviewing overdue vendor balances and upcoming payment obligations.